Hello students, in this session we will learn about the IT in entertainment. So this is the uh, part of IT applications, and we already know how to IT application work into different fields. So today topic is IT in entertainment. So information technology has had a major impact on the entertainment industry. Internet is a major source of entertainment. One can download and view movie, play games, chat, use multimedia, incorporate visual sound effect using the computer. Digital broadcasting has changed the way we experience television with more interactive programming and participants. So these all are the features, and this is uh, very helpful in the entertainment. So that is possible only with the help of what? IT application. So which type of IT applications you are using? So you will note down the definition. So you will write the definition from here. Entertainment in major effect to play games, chat, multimedia, incorporate visual effect and computer, etc. So digital broadcasting has changed the way of entertainment television. So that definitions you will note down for the IT in entertainment. So now next, IT in communications. So now we're going to understand IT in communication. So there, IT in communication. So communication is used to convey message, an idea, picture, or speech. So today we are uh, play our we are do and we are able to establish our communication with help of messaging, clear, picture, and speech. So only with use of the IT application like WhatsApp, Google Classroom, and with the video conferencing, clear. So these all are very helpful for the communications purpose. So a person who receives this must understand clearly and correctly. So today we are using this, so we know that how IT is helpful for our communication purpose. So modern communication make use of the computer system. We use computer for email, chatting, FTP, telnet, and video conferencing. So with the IT is very helpful in these all area. So we are able to email with help of IT. We able to chatting with help of IT. FTP we are able to transmit file in remote system with help of FTP. Telnet is remote communication purpose, and we also able to video conferencing only with the help of IT applications. So these are used for in the communication purpose. So you note down the definitions. The definition you will note. So what is the communication? So communication is a use to convey the messaging, an idea, pictures, or speech. Clear? And modern communications make use of the computer system. We use computer for email, chatting, FTP, telnet, and video conferencing. So this definitions you will note down. Only highlighted text you will note down. So this is the definition. Okay, now next is IT in business. So in each and every business, without the IT application, you're not able to maintain our and you're not able to manage your any management. Clear? So for the proper organization, formatting stock and anything you want to manage, so definitely you will use the IT application. So that is very helpful for your business. So computer are used in business organization for payroll calculation, budgeting, sales analysis, financial forecasting, managing and maintaining stock. A lot of business transaction happen through the internet called e-commerce. IT facilitated marketing, customer visit, product browsing, shopping, basketing, checkout, tax, shopping, receipt and process order. Clear? And e-commerce offers service pertaining and processing inventory management, transactions, document presentation, and gathering product information. So these all are the helpful with the IT business. So these how you can do the smart work only with the help of IT application. So you also note down this IT in business, which type of work is provided with help of IT. So you can note down. Now IT in science and engineering, how it is used in science and engineering. So scientists and engineers use computer for performing complex scientific calculations. So if you have a lots of data and it is very complicated, so how you can uh, calculate these all complex calculations, so you have to use the IT application. So computer aided design, that is called the CAD, and computer aided manufacturing CAM application are used for drawing. So drawing, designing and for the simulating and testing the design. So with of the CAD CAM application, these are all used for the uh, engineering purpose. Means any building, any bridge, any type of constructions if you want to make, so first you will design into the application. So with this application, any type of design you can develop, and all the measurement, all the requirement will be easily you get with help of these software. So these all software is very helpful for scientific and engineering purpose. So computer are used for the storing large amount of data, performing complex calculation and visualizing 3D dimensional object. Complex scientific applications like rocket launching, space exploration, etc. are not possible without the computer. So you know that these all type of work, scientific work, if you think we are able to complete without the help of the application, without the help of computer, so it is not possible. So it play the major role. So the IT applications is work in scientific and engineering also. So you know down the definitions of uh, this. So you will note scientific and engineering use the computer performing complex scientific calculation, the software for the large amount, and this all thing you will note down. So this complete definitions you note down from here to there. Okay. So this definition you note down for IT in scientific and engineering. Okay, now the next thing is IT in banking. IT in banking. So different type of transactions are we are complete with help of the IT application like PTM, pay applications, and different types of applications are present. So with help of you can easily withdraw and deposit money, and easily you are able to transfer the money. So the computer is an essential part of the modern banking system. Every activity of banking is now online. The customer data and transactions are recorded by the computer. And recurring deposit, that is called RD, fixed deposit called FD, means ERD, EFD, money transfer from one account to another, NEFT and RTGS. Online transactions are done using the internet. Capital market transaction, financial analysis related service are available in online platform. Banking customer use the automated teller machine, means ATM, for cash depositing and withdrawal or to view the current balance. So these all are the part of IT. Clear? So today IT are each and everywhere. Next, in insurance company is also using the IT application. Insurance company keep all record up to date with the help of the computer database and procedures for the continuations of policy, starting date, date of next installment, maturity date, interest dues, survival benefits and bonus are declared by using computers in insurance company. Many online policies are also available which can be purchased by using the website of insurance company. Clear? So with the LIC also do the all work with help of the IT application. So with help of the software it can manage our all record easily. So such type of record they can manage easily in applications. Next, into the market, how it is useful. In market, computer are used for the advertising of products. By using arts and graphics facility, it is possible to create interesting advertisement of various products so that the global of selling can be achieved. Using the e-commerce website, people can purchase item even sitting at home. So that is very helpful. So you can note down this also. So in various products, so this is the IT in marketing. So also you can see the IT in healthcare. So all type of administrations work is also do with the IT application. You can see there, this is MRI machine and detail image. So all image and all the analysis data are executed with the today IT applications. So computer can are integrate part of laboratory and dispensary. They are used in scanning and diagnosis in different. So this is called the expert system. So all the expert system are also available in IT, which is very helpful in the healthcare system.